To unlock SPayLater in Shopee, start by opening the Shopee app and navigating to the Meet tab, located in the bottom right corner, which serves as your personalized profile section. Within the Meet tab, scroll down until you find the SPayLater option, typically found in the My Wallet section. Tap on SPayLater, and you will be presented with an Activate Now button, which initiates the activation process. As Shopee prioritizes security, you will be required to verify your identity, usually by receiving a one-time password, or OTP, sent via SMS to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to confirm your identity, and once verified, you will have successfully activated SPayLater. This payment option offers flexibility, allowing you to buy now and pay later, enhancing your overall Shopee shopping experience. Activation is straightforward and can be completed directly within the app, providing a convenient and secure way to take advantage of SPayLater's benefits.